Hello everyone, this is SIVAGAMI from SNS College of Engineering. As I am an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here I am going to learn about the topic of sequencing and scheduling activities network planning models, okay, in SPM, in Software Project Management System. What can you enter from the images below? Okay, here I give one form for a scheduling. Okay, here I give one form for a scheduling, sequencing and scheduling activities. Here I give a sequencing and scheduling activities. Scheduling needed to identify when each of the project activities is planned. Scheduling needed to identify when each of projects activities is planned. What resources needed? What resources are needed? Bar chart. Certain task complete before other to start. Certain task completed before other to start. Resource that are available. Resources that are available. Sequence the task, identify dependencies among the activities. Sequence the task, identified dependencies among the activities. And then the schedule availability of the staffs. The schedule depends on the availability of the staffs. Okay, the next one is small projects. And then the compare first we going to learn small projects and the large projects. Small project scheduling and sequencing approach suitable. Scheduling and sequencing approach suitable. In case, allocate individual to particular task at the early planning stages. In case, allocate individual to particular task at the early planning stages. And then the large project. Separate these two activities. First sequence the task. Separate these two activities. First sequence the task. Second schedule based on resources and other factors. Project activities and other relationship as network. Project activities and other relationship as network. And then time flow from left to right. Originally developed in 1950s. Critical path method. In critical path method, program evaluation review technology. It's the PERT technology, the program evaluation review technology. Network planning models. Activity on arrow approach. Activities represent arrow joining nodes. Activity on arrow approach. Activities represented as arrow join nodes. Okay, represent starts and completion of activity. Represents starts and completion of activities. Presents network activity on node network. Presents network activity on node networks. Activities or nodes. Sequence records the link between the nodes. Sequence requires the link between the nodes. And then precedence network. Activity on node networks avoid some problems of activity on narrow arrow method. More scope, especially easily representing certain situations. Both activities on arrow and activity on nodes are commonly named as SPM. Here in this slide here I give a PERT versus SPM. The PERT versus SPM. Okay, the project activity and the relationship as network. Time flows from left to right. The time flows from the left to right. Originally developed in 1950s. Okay, CPM is called the CPM. The abbreviation of the CPM is critical path method. And then the PERT. The PERT means program evaluation review techniques. PERT means program evaluation review techniques. In this slide I given the bar chart for the sequencing and scheduling activities. Okay,